Sanitation workers are on full mobilization. Right now, more than 2,000 sanitation workers are on I think a 13-hour shift now, and it will go to a 12-hour shift thereafter. Another 2,000 will relieve them at 7 p.m. tonight. Sanitation already has deployed 450 salt spreaders. As the snow accumulates, the typical standard is 2 inches or more. So as the snow accumulates, sanitation will deploy more than 1,700 vehicles equipped with snow plows. And Parks and Department of Parks and Department of Transportation will add equipment to that effort starting at 7 p.m. tonight.
Very slippery. Very slippery. You gotta go very careful, nice and slow. My partner could tell you.
I think it's a winter wonderland. I think this is what happens when you live in the Northeast. So
You're a fan of it?
Suck it up and move on.